Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add subtitles to your Amazon Prime Video videos, so let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is enter a video, an episode of a show or a movie, which you want to watch, and once you enter that, then for some reason there's an error over there. Here we go. Once you're here, you'll have this menu in the top right, at least on the desktop version. I'm pretty sure the playback menu looks similar on the mobile version as well, so you just have to locate that option on your mobile version or any other version. Then once you're in the playback menu, you just go over subtitles and audio, click on that, and then click on whichever subtitles you want. You have a lot of languages. You can click English, which are closed captions, and then you have all of these other ones, and once you select them and play the video, then as you can see, you have the actual captions over here in the bottom, and you can view them very easily once you're watching the video. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.